In this video, I show you how to fix Wi-Fi missing icon. If you miss your Wi-Fi icon, then watch this video. We can solve it on two simple steps. You can do it on Windows 10 and Windows 11. On Windows, search, type here settings, open your settings, click on system, scroll down, click on troubleshoot, add a troubleshoot, find network and internet, click on run. If you have problem, you will see the problem, then click on troubleshoot. Close this page. Again, check your Wi-Fi icon. If it does not work for you, follow the second step. On Windows, search, type here cmd, open command prompt, type here ncpa.cpl, hit enter. Make sure to open Wi-Fi adapter. Right click here, click on enable if it is disabled for you. Now it is enabled. If you want to disable, click on disable. I want to enable it. Close this page, come back, check your Wi-Fi icon. Now it is here. I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good day. See you soon.